here is around 30 degrees right now. It's 84 Fahrenheit, I guess. And up there is still snow. It's pretty sick, right? You're gonna see soon.
Yeah, I wanna.
Now you see, there is just snow. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's pretty sick, right? Everything it's dry here, and up there is just snow.
Yeah. Here we was at dinner yesterday.
Yeah.
This one, and it was amazing. So when you be
When you be here, visit the Gateway restaurant, Sequoia trees.
yeah.
It's pretty cool.
So we are already in area of Sequoia trees.
Yeah, we paid the entry. It's
Yeah.
$37 per car.
37.
37, I
Yeah.
guess.
37. Okay.
35 or 37, I'm not sure.
Yeah, but you can use it all 7 days.
Yeah, it's for 1
So,
week.
Yeah.
And basically, the woman from the hotel, the reception, told us to go all the way up. So the giant tree is the oldest tree in the world, or
And
tallest
biggest
tree.
one, yeah.
Not oldest, but tallest tree. And so yeah, we listen and we going up there because a lot of cars is turning right now.
So we are in the bus. We just found that we must go by bus there to Gen 3. We are here by bus and we are going for a walk.
15 minutes to get
Yeah,
the tree.
the sheriff, who is it? The man.
Ranger.
Yes, Ranger told that it's 15 minutes
Told us that it's 15 minutes to walk.
to walk, yeah.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So 2.7 kilometers. Full trail. That's where we're going. Yes. And don't forget about the water. You need to drink a lot of water because there's a different pressure. Yeah.
Air pressure. Basically, we walked like 400 meters and I cannot breathe.
Yeah. You can feel it.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time has a way of passing by and leave a mark in our minds that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
carefully. Please. I'm a little bit nervous.